For today's learning work, we are going to look at what wartime consumers did during World War II. And wartime consumers is just a fancy word for saying what did the American people use during this time as far as goods and food and things like that. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Schoology and you're going to upload the reading section for 29.8 and the questions into your learning work. And as you are reading, you're going to highlight areas where it answers the questions. Then when you're done reading and answering all of the questions, including highlighting them on your reading document, you're going to go and take the wartime consumers check-in. So these are the questions that you are going to be thinking about and looking for information on. What is a shortage? What two things did expanding war production do? What was the job of the Office of Price Administration, which is also called OPA? You're going to define rationing, and you're going to explain why meat, sugar, and coffee were rationed. And then you're going to list 3 other ways wartime shortages affected Americans. So as you're reading, anytime you come across information that is going to answer one of these 6 questions, you're going to highlight it. So for your third question, it asks you what was the job of the OPA, which is the Office of Price Administration. So if we come down here, we'll see that the government established the Office of Price Administration, the OPA, to control the prices of most goods. So we'll highlight that because it's starting to explain what they did. It also says the OPA set up a rationing system. So that is also something that is answering the question right here. So as you can see, as I find information that answers my question, I'm going to highlight it as well. So this is what you're going to do for each one of the questions. So here is an example of the highlighting. I'm now going to use this highlighted information to go and answer question 3 on my question sheet. So when you're done, you should have each question answered on your learning work document and then also the information highlighted in the text. As always, if you have questions, send me a Schoology message, or you can pop in my office hour tomorrow from 10 to 11.